Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Got the family here.
Soydora.
And we got Soydora and we got Slim. Alright, so we did a video for Venezuela, right? Kitty boy?
Yes.
Venezuela scheme, which is on the east coast of Demerara. We were traversing the area there and we noticed there's a community named Venezuela scheme. And we were surprised that we actually got a scheme named Venezuela scheme in Guyana. Because of the relationship we have with Venezuela. So this video will focus on the Venezuela scheme, and we hope you enjoy it. And are you ready for the journey, guys?
Let's get it.
Alright guys, so we're in the East Coast main road. And we're heading to a Venezuelan scheme. Venezuela or Venezuelan? Which is it, cutie pie?
The next left. Keep right.
Is Venezuela or Venezuelan?
Venezuela. Keep right. There's no
Venezuela.
left here.
Yeah, we went through here.
I thought she's taking us off road.
Alright, so we're taking this little truck. Over the one side is what? This is the bordering
Melanie North.
street. Oh yeah, Melanie North is over there.
Yeah.
This is Venezuela scheme. We went through here, but the guy said this is not part of the scheme, right? So it gotta be from the other car now.
Yeah.
So we're going down here. Not the first car, because a resident told us that is not part of Venezuela's scheme. So we're going down here now. We're gonna see what this Venezuela scheme about. If we got Venezuelans living there.
Got my eyes on you.
So we got a cross street here at the end.
Left.
Take a left. Over the one side is what? Melanie North?
Yeah, Melanie North.
Muy pure. Venezuelan scheme. 4th Street in Venezuelan scheme. Well, I got some nice houses here. Oh, nice house here, right? You're probably saying this that we're driving here is in Venezuelan scheme.
Yeah.
Oh, this guy here is bordered.
Yeah.
So it gotta be Venezuelan scheme.
Yeah.
I gotta find it from this resident house, so.
Right.
So we
The cross street up there is the end of Venezuela scheme.
is the end.
Yeah.
Our
There are more
pause.
streets inside. I guess some streets inside. Yeah.
Yes, people. So there's the first corner. We turn here to catch this corner here. The end of the first corner, we turn to catch this. There's the bordering street, right? For Venezuelan scheme. So we can border it, the entire street, and then we're gonna drill through the corners.
Here, right.
Well, let me border it. Can we go back more down?
No. Yeah, there's houses
let's
there.
see.
Let's just go down to the end.
On the corner there.
Yeah.
This is this road got a name though, or just is the seawall area?
There's a seawall. You get there and back in the trees.
Pause. Alright, people. So we gave me the second street. We're coming from the seawall there, the back of the Venezuelan scheme. This is the second street, and we're going down. I think I got a little. You gotta go through these streets, right? This is the second street, or the last street.
Yeah, that's the last street.
These streets are blocked off. So you can't go
okay.
wrong.
So,
Alright. So yes guys, these cross streets are closed, so we're gonna let's give it a snap.
this one is not closed.
No one is not closed. That one is closed here, right?
No.
This one is not closed, right? So now we go to the end of the second street.
I take a turn.
Oh, we got a turn.
Yeah.
Now we can go zigzag.
Yeah, to the first street. But we already go.
Well, yeah, and connect through
Yeah.
all those streets that connect the first and the second.
Yeah.
No problem. A bit dark.
It's 6 o'clock.
We're good. So where are we going? Left or right?
Right.
Right. This is the 4th Street connecting. The 4th and 2nd Street, or the last street connecting.
First street. Straight next one.
There's the there's the 4th Street connecting. The 1st and 2nd.
Yeah, this one will come up.
This is the 2nd Street connecting the 1st and 2nd.
This one here.
We already went through 4th Street, but we're just going through all these cross streets connecting the 1st and 2nd Street. Trying to catch the sunlight. This is the 2nd Street connecting the 1st and 2nd.
We also have this street.
This street here.
We haven't went through this.
Alright, let me just go down this entire street. We can come up on the 2nd Street and we can go through here. This 2nd Street connected. And that's the end here, right?
Wait, look, we take a left. We get one more.
2nd Street, connecting the 1st and 2nd Street. Just notice this little turn here. We can go through here. Can you look at the 3rd Street from here?
Yes.
Go through this here. It's a bit dark, huh?
Yep.
This is the 3rd Street. And this is it.
The 3rd Street is up there.
This is the 3rd Street connecting the 1st and the 2nd. Okay. Any other ones after this?
Nope. Left
I can give you a
3rd.
little view on that. This is part of the 3rd Street. So you give you the other part when you go up back. Oh, two nice houses here, man. We can turn back from here. Great house here. Let's see if we can take out a picture of not down with all the country.
So we go into the front part.
So we finished this portion of the 3rd Street. We gotta go to the other portion. And then we finish. Light catching me up. Yeah, this is the other portion of the 3rd Street connecting the 1st and the 2nd. And that's it, cutie pie?
Yep.
Pause. Yes, guys, so that is the end of our journey to the Venezuela scheme. It's a short, it's a small community, and we got a nice view at the back of the seawall there. We got a really nice view.
Where is my body?
So we're gonna conclude. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed the Venezuela scheme. And at least you know in Guyana there is a scheme with that name. So Kitty Pie, you can conclude.
Where is my body?
Invisible.
Yeah.
Like, subscribe, comment down below where you want to go next. We'll put you on the list. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.